Hello all. Welcome back to Excel Skill. Today we learn a quick Excel tip which saves your formatting, and it will be a useful tip to get your formatting to be done within a fraction of seconds. Here I have the data and I have few formatting done with the coloring. All I have to delete all this formatting and I have to come up with a new formatting thing. In order to erase all this, we have to go to each line, then again click on the coloring and say no fill. And if you go by one, it will take time. So what I do is that I would be suggesting a shortcut, that is copy all the data and press Alt EAF. I have the data over here. Now I would be pressing Alt EAF. You got all the eraser of your previous formatting. Like this, you can save your time with the usage of the shortcuts. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this short video.